Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is my third video on sampling practicals in R. In this video I will explain about stratified random sampling. See, this is my question. From the population data on a socio-economic survey grouped into three stratas on the basis of certain characteristics, a sample was selected using stratified sampling in a manner such that from each stratum 10 villages were selected with simple random sampling without replacement. The data set on the number of households in each of the sample village are given as below. Estimate the average number of households along with their estimates of its variances. This is this is my Excel file, so I read this by this command data read.csv file does by choose command. Finally, I got stratums and households. Now I will divide households into stratums by using new command y1. I am taking y1 name households stratum 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 double equal to 1. This is syntax, sorry, here square brackets. Here I get y1 stratum. Now I need y2 stratum. For y2 stratum I the same like this. Y2, here stratum is 2, here also y2. Now I need y3 stratum. For y3 stratum households stratum, this is third stratum and y3 and y3. This capital N1 equal to 1411. These all values are given, and capital N2 equal to 4705. This value also given, and capital N3 equal to 2558. These three values given in question from Excel file. Okay. Now I want to find variance of stratified random sampling. For before going to variance, first I will find mean of y1, mean of for finding mean of y1. I have already y1 data set. Mean of, just apply mean of y1. Okay, here I get mean of y1, mean of y1 like this. Now I need mean of y2 also. Mean of y2, mean of y2. Here I get mean of y2. Now I need mean of y3 also. Here I got mean of y3 also. Okay. Now I need capital N, total population equal to cap N1 N2 plus N3. Okay. Some error is there here, plus symbol. I got capital N 8674. See question. Estimate the average number of households. Now I need average number of households. I am denoting y bar. Formula for average households in stratified randomly sampling is N1 stratum capital N1 multiplied by mean of y1 plus, before that we are going to here open bracket, and N2 multiplied by mean of y2 plus N3 multiplied by mean of y3, close it, divides capital N. Okay, here I got y bar. Here I got y bar 54.6160. Now I need variance. For variance, before going to variance, first I find stratum variance for variance y1. Variance y1 is variance of y1 and variance y2 variance y2 variance y2 is variance of y2 and variance of y3 is variance of y3. Now we need weighted means. For finding weighted means I am denoting as w1. For stratum 1 I am taking w1. W1 is, what is formula? Capital N1 divides capital N. This is for weighted mean 1 and weighted mean 2. For weighted mean 2, N2 divides capital N. Okay. For weighted means 3, N3 divides capital N. Now I have weighted means also. This is the formula for variance in stratified random sampling. This formula you can get from theory question also. From theory you can copy it. Now you can just enter it. Estimate variance. See, my estimation variance is 80.45012 is the variance in stratified random sampling to the given data set, and average number of households are, where is average number of households? 54.61063 in stratified random sampling, average number of households, and variance is 80.45012.